Okay, so guys, a friend of mine actually have been making money from this website, and he just introduced this website to me. And on this particular website, you can actually earn USDT every single day. Now, if you are the greedy type that is not ready to follow instructions, then this particular earning website is not for you, okay? But if you are the type that if $10, $15, $20 will be enough for you to make every single day, then make sure you watch this video because I'm going to be showing you how you can earn passively on this website. Okay, now first and foremost, you can see here the name of the website is called Coinvid. Okay, it's a USDT earning platform, okay, where you just play game, follow the instructions of the game, and you will be able to earn from this website. Okay, now before I go ahead and show you exactly how this thing actually works, first and foremost, I'm going to be dropping the link to Coinvid in the description of the video, so you just go ahead and click on that link, and that link is going to bring you to this interface like this. Okay, so all you just need to do is just for you to sign up. Okay, you can see the sign up is very easy. After you must have signed up, it's going to bring you to this interface like this. Okay, and as you can see here on my own account here, if I show you my balance here, you can see I have over $100 here. I have $132 here. Okay, so quickly let me show you how I actually made money from this website. Okay, after you must have signed up, okay, you also you understand you need to deposit some fund into the website. So first and foremost, you need to click on this deposit. Okay, remember we are using USDT here, so you're just going to click on this button here. Okay, when you click on this button, it's going to show you the USDT wallet address that you're going to send your fund to. Now, the minimum amount of money you can actually use to trade on this website for you to be profitable, I will advise you is $10. Okay, but you can decide to put as much as $100. You can see mine, I put up to $130 here. You can decide to put 10, 20, 30, 50, 100, 200, as much as you can afford to put in. Okay, so you can just copy this wallet address here. Okay, or you can scan this barcode. Then you're going to send the amount of USDT TRC20 USDT that you want to use to this wallet address. Okay, now when you send that fund, you're then automatically your fund is going to appear in your account, just like mine is appearing in my account like this. Okay, now after you have your fund in your account, it's now time for us to begin to make money from this website. Now, how do you make money from this website? You see, you come down here where it says game. Okay, it's a very simple game, funny game. You don't need to crack your head. They are going to show you. I'm going to show you a Telegram group where you're going to join, and that group is going to help you to choose which color of the balls you have to choose. Okay, so you're going to come down here. You can see there are different games here, but the particular one that is profitable for us that we're going to be using is this red green 1 minute game here. Okay, so you just click on this particular button. Now when you click on this particular button, it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, remember I told you I'm going to be showing you a Telegram group. Okay, now that Telegram group is where we're going to be getting our signals from. Okay, so quickly let me go ahead and show you that Telegram group. Okay, so if you go here, this is the Telegram group. You can see where they give their signals here, right? You can see them giving signals. You can see win, win, win. Now, the beauty of this particular website is this: even if you lose some games, okay, if you follow the pattern that I'm going to be showing you how they do it here, definitely you're going to always be in profit. Okay, so quickly let me show you something here that I expect you to follow, right? You can see they have this catalog here of how you should be able to follow your trade. Okay, so you can see here, let's assume you came in with, let's say, $10. Okay, they are going to tell you X1. If they ask you to play X1 in the game, you are expected to just put in 0.03. Okay, if they say S2, then you're expected to put in 0.05. If they say S3, S8, you're expected to put in 0.11. Okay, so you can see all the amounts that this thing applies to is all up here. Okay, depending on the amount of money you came in with. Okay, like for me, I came in, I'm going to be using $100. Okay, so if they ask me to put in X3, okay, if they ask me to put in X3, then automatically I'm going to be putting 0.5. If they ask me to put X8, I'm going to be putting 1.1. Okay, so I'm also going to be dropping this particular sheet, okay, in the description of this video for you, or you click on the Telegram channel and it will bring you up here. Then you also have access to this particular sheet document here, okay, where you can use to decide how much you are supposed to put in a particular game. Okay, like I rightly said, the beauty of it is this: if you follow this pattern, okay, this game, like up to 8 games, there's no way you're going to lose your money. Trust me, I've been doing this and I know exactly how it works. Okay, so we're going to be getting our signals here, like I rightly said here. Okay, so let me go back to the game and show you how it works. Okay, so every time you're going to be paying attention to this particular numbers here. Okay, you see here it says 870. Okay, now you're going to pay attention to this timer too. This 870, now you're going to go back to the Telegram channel here and look at 870. You can see 870, they says we should pick red here. Okay, they say we should pick red there. So quickly, let me go back to the website. Okay, now they say we should pick red. So here I'm going to pick this red here, and they say you should use just X1 here. Okay, so after picking that red, I'm just going to put in, let me say I just want to put in 1 here. Okay, then here I'm just going to click on confirm here. Okay, so let's wait and see how the game is going to go. Okay, so remember, you can see the amount of money I have here right now. So let's see how the game is going to go. If it goes in our way, fine. If it doesn't go in our way, then we're going to follow the description again. As you can rightly see, this down here, 870, this is the game we took. This is green instead of red, which means I believe we've lost that game. Okay, so I believe we've lost that game. So we're going to wait for another signal. Okay, now we're going to wait for another signal to see exactly what they are going to ask us to do now. So, okay, so we're going to be taking the next trade here. Okay, so here you can see the next trade is 881. So let's go to the Telegram group and see what they're asking us to choose. Okay, 881, they're asking us to choose red X3. Okay, red X3. So we're just going to come here, choose on red X3, which we're going to be using 3. That is 1 times 3, which is 3, right? So here I'm just going to come down here now, and I'm going to click on buy. Okay, so let's wait and see what the outcome is going to be. So you see that the 81 we actually won, and you can see our balance has actually increased. Okay, we got that trade, so our balance increased. So that's how simple and easy it is for us to actually make money from this website. All you just need to know to do is that as soon as this number comes up here, you just rush down to the Telegram group and choose the color that they ask you to choose for that particular number, right? So that is just how simple it is. If your color actually matches whatever that comes up here, then it means that you've won. Okay, now after you must have made money, like you can see here, I've made money here. Then the next thing I just need to do is for me to have access to withdraw my fund. Okay, now if I want to withdraw my fund, it's as simple as me coming up here where it says withdraw here. Okay, I can just click on this withdraw button, and I'm just going to click on this withdraw stuff here. Now, provided you have just $10 in your account, you can make withdrawal. Okay, and the withdrawal come very, very fast. Okay, so let's assume I want to make withdrawal here. Now all I just need to do here is just to click on this button here. Okay, then I'm going to click on my USDT binded wallet address, USDT TRC20 binded address. Then here I'm just going to put in the amounts. Let's assume I want to take $10. Then here I'm just going to put in my password. Let me quickly put in my password. Then after putting my password, next time I'm going to do is just for me to click on withdraw. Okay, now when I click on withdraw, automatically you can see successful. The withdrawal has gone through. You can see the money has gone out of my account here. So I'm just going to receive the money in my Bybit account. Okay, so you can see that's how simple and easy it is to actually make money from this platform. Okay, like I rightly said, the link is going to be in the description. And also don't forget, like I said, if you want to follow this pattern, there's this spreadsheet here that shows you how you'll be able to take your trade, the amount of money you're supposed to put in. Let's assume you came in with $10, like I rightly said. If they say X1, you put in 0.03. If they say X3, you put in 0.05. If they say X8, you put in 0.11. If they say X24, you put in 0.24. Okay. Now, these things is just to enable you secure your capital so that you always make profit in the course of the video. Okay, in the course of the game. Okay. All right, guys, I just want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video. If you got value, give this video a thumbs up. Remember, the link to Coinvid is going to be in the description of the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take care of yourself, and bye-bye for now.